up, Anderson?
What's up, guys?
You arrested anyone today?
Huh?
You arrested anyone today?
Not yet.
Not yet? You didn't get one today. You look eager. You look eager. Excited.
Freedom of speech, man. We're free to speak. We can speak freely. Excuse me? I can walk where I want, man.
Oh, keep your distance. If you want to film, you're more than welcome.
Yeah, I know I'm more than welcome to.
Yeah, but do not walk behind me.
I can walk anywhere I want to. What are you talking about?
man.
Get back to work, man.
I am working.
Don't focus on me. Do what you were doing.
I'll focus on
I
my
can
job.
walk down anywhere I want down here.
Dude,
Who
keep
are
your
you?
distance.
I was keeping my
officer.
distance.
Keep your distance.
I was keeping my distance.
Okay, over there, man.
I'm fine right here, actually.
Oh, he's gonna come stand over here. Get out the
So?
way, man.
He can't move around me?
No. You
Yeah.
need our space.
Yeah,
You need our
he can,
space.
actually.
You need our space.
Look at this guy.
Okay. Make it longer.
Yeah, let's do it, man. We don't want on camera.
Green light, wait. Get away. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Keep your distance.
Oh, dude,
get back.
you're
No, get back.
approaching me.
Get back.
You approached me.
No, get back. Get your distance.
Nope.
Get back. Get back.
No.
You're literally in my way. Get back.
Nope.
So get back.
No.
You.
This guy approached me.
Dude, you're interfering.
I'm not interfering at all.
You can go film over there with your buddy, or you can go over there with your buddy. Okay? Pick a side. But you can't stand in the middle, all right, man? You can go film over there, or you can go film over there.
Why
It's up
can't
to
I
you.
film right here?
Because I'm telling you not to. You can go film over there. You're impeding with my investigation. You've been told, and you know the game. Now go film over here. Keep going. Keep going. You can go film with your buddy over there by the tree. I'm giving you a lawful order. Now go. Keep
I'm
going.
right here. Why are
going.
you stepping on my equipment?
Well, don't put it in my way. You can stay right there and film. You know the game. Coach them.
Don't tell me what to do, Anderson. You do your job.
Yeah.
And be quiet, man. Be quiet.
Tyrant? Both of you.
This guy's up Anderson right here. Officer Anderson right here. Look at his hand. Look at his hand. Trigger
What's up?
finger. Stop your hand. Stop your hand. Why
Nothing but a telling us we can't talk.
Why
We
your
can't
fingers
walk freely.
wiggling, Anderson?
Fuck out of here.
Look at your trigger finger. Look at his fingers are moving. Look at his body language. Look at his posture.
Yup. This guy.
Look at his posture.
Can't talk
It's a scared little bitch. Hey, I can talk to anyone I want.
What the hell?
Hey, you guys could record too if you guys want.
Yup.
Record.
You should be recording. These guys will do anything they want.
Don't let
You
them
just
search
saw
you,
it.
okay? Don't let
Their
them
word
search you.
against yours, man, and they always win unless you got the camera.
You guys have been told you guys can't talk to him, okay? You guys can talk to him when we're done, but not right now.
I'm
You guys know
narrating
that,
I
all
can
right?
I can
I'm
talk to
narrating
anyone I
the
want.
cameraman.
Not right now because it's part of my
I'm narrating
I can
investigation.
speak
cameraman.
freely.
All three of you know that, all right?
I can
the
speak
camera.
freely.
I'm
I can
narrating
speak
the
freely
cameraman.
to
I'm
anyone.
He's back up. He's back up for you, Anderson.
I'm narrating, man.
Back up is here for
Don't
you,
let your
Anderson.
ego get to you, man. It's called narrating to my audience. Silly ass.
Anderson needs help. Yeah, man.
say shit to anyone else, huh?
Be nice and jumping to the back.
It's just us, right?
Grave, record. Es su derecho, it's your right. It's your right.
Here. Should burn that patch.
And I bet you better give me a sticker tonight. I've been asking for a sticker tonight.
You scared ass. Boo hoo. This fool is ready to go hands-on right here. You see that? What's up, Matt? There you go, that's for you.
Can't trespass my eyes, dummy.
Seatbelt.
Man, that guy tried to go hands-on. Me too.
You try to go hands on?
He tried to go hands-on, man.
I'm telling you, dude, these guys are nuts out here. Man, trying to go hands on over here, guys.
Dang it. Come on, man. I don't usually get, you know, like, but man, that fool brought it out.